Hi fellow airdrop hunters, so this video is going to be very quick and I need you to take action fast. So Arkham has been confirmed to be on Binance Launchpad in the next one day, and Arkham themselves on their page, they confirmed an airdrop for all users. And Snapshot, you can see where I marked here, Snapshot will be taken today at 7 o'clock PM UTC. And for Nigerians, that will be 8 o'clock PM Nigerian time. But I really need you to take action very fast, because Snapshot will be taken at 7 PM UTC today, and I need you to be on that snapshot on the wait list before the snapshot will be taken, so that you can be eligible for the Arkham's airdrop reward. What you need to do in the next 1 hour is actually very simple, so let's get to work. Copy the link to Arkham's website in the description box, or check the comment section, I'll pin it there. Copy the link and go and paste it in your browser to take you to their website. When you get to their website, put in your email address, put in your first name, your last name, and also whatever role you want to play on their website. You can choose from any of the selections that they have on the sign up page. So I have already created my own account earlier, but I'm doing this one using a friend's account so that I can make this tutorial for you all. So once you are done selecting your options, click on the captcha. Now at this stage, an invitation will be sent to your email by Arkham so that you can complete your registration. So what you want to do now is you go to your email address and then click on the invitation link that they will send to you and then complete your registration. So just like this, you will see the invitation in your email address, click on it and then complete your registration, set up your username and as well set up your password. So automatically the system will generate your email because you have already started your sign up earlier. Set up your username now and put in your password. Then tap on sign up. So Arkham is the world's first on-chain intelligence exchange. On Arkham, you can buy and sell information of any owner of any blockchain wallet address anonymously via smart contract. Anyone that has a valuable information on a wallet or its owner can offer that information for sale for a buy it now price or through auction to other users. These kinds of help you to play the role of a detective and then get paid for it. It creates a liquid market for information, buying and selling of information, allowing on-chain observers to monetize their work on the website. So you can also use Arkham to track the wallet address of anyone whose judgment you trust in the crypto industry. You can use it to track their portfolio, see how much profit and losses they are making within any time frame, see what kind of coins they are holding, and you can use that information, to improve your own portfolio as well. So now you want to go and create a new dashboard for yourself. You click on dashboard like I have done in the video and you go to create a new dashboard. The letterings on this video is actually very small, so I will suggest you watch it in full screen so that you can see everything written boldly. Create on new dashboard. So you can see your new dashboard. The dashboard is titled as untitled, so you can rename that dashboard to whatever name you are familiar with. I'm going to be renaming this one right now. Now we all know how these things work. To improve your potential earning in this airdrop, you need to copy your referral link and share it within your circle, share it with your friends who are also interested. Copy it and share it with them. The more you understand, the more referral you have, the more potential earnings you are going to get. So you click on invite and then select copy link. So I'll tap on home to go back to the website homepage, and if you ever want to track anyone's wallet address, tap on that plus button highlighted here and a search bar will pop up where you paste the wallet address, and you can use whatever information you have on their wallet address to improve your own portfolio as well. So that will be all for this tutorial. I hope you take action fast. Thank you for watching.